If your PDF files are showing as Google Chrome icons or opening automatically in Chrome instead of a PDF reader, don't worry. This is a very common issue that happens when Chrome becomes the default application for PDF files. Many users accidentally change this setting without realizing it, especially after browser updates or software installations. The good news is that fixing it is very simple. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to fix PDF files showing as Google Chrome in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, let's understand the problem quickly. When Chrome is set as the default PDF viewer, all PDF files on your computer may display the Google Chrome icon instead of the normal PDF icon. Double-clicking a PDF file will also open it directly inside the Chrome browser rather than in apps like Adobe Acrobat Reader or another PDF viewer. Now let's fix it. Start by locating any PDF file on your computer. Right-click the PDF file and select Open With. A small menu will appear showing available apps that can open PDF files. From the list, choose your preferred PDF reader, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader or another installed PDF application. If you do not see the app immediately, click Choose Another App or More Apps to expand the list. Once you select the PDF application, very important, make sure to check the box that says Always use this app to open .pdf files. After that, click OK. This changes the default PDF app from Chrome to your selected PDF reader. In most cases, the PDF icon should also update automatically after a few moments. If you do not already have a PDF reader installed, you can install one, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader. After installation, repeat the same process and set it as the default app. Another method is changing the default app directly through Windows settings. Open the Start menu and search for Default Apps. Open the Default Apps settings page. Scroll down and look for the option called Choose Defaults by File Type. Open it and find the .pdf file extension in the list. Next to it, you may see Google Chrome selected as the current default app. Click on Google Chrome and choose your preferred PDF reader from the available list. Once selected, Windows will automatically save the change. You should also restart your computer after changing default apps because Windows sometimes takes a moment to refresh file associations completely. Another useful tip is keeping both Chrome and your PDF reader updated to avoid compatibility problems. Outdated software can occasionally cause file association issues or display errors. So, that's the easiest way to fix PDF files showing as Google Chrome in 2026. The main solutions are changing the default PDF application, updating file associations, adjusting Chrome PDF settings, and restarting your computer afterward. Most users can solve the issue within just a few minutes using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.